Green roofs gives us the possibility to reconnect with nature in an urban environment while taking advantage of a traditionally dead space. Green roofs can produce food while regulating room temperature, eventually saving you money. Here at Goctalab, we're growing Dragonfroot or Pitahaya on top of our workshop roof. Being in the roof, plants get maximum sunlight and benefit from the heat the building collects on the stone surface, which is Pitahaya's favorite environment. The plant crawls down the side of the building. In this way, it's not spending its energy crawling up and can focus that energy on fruit production. The bad weeds are collected, left to dry on the roof area, and then reintroduced once decomposed as fertilizer. Learn how to become a producer, not only a consumer, here at Goctalab. Come stay with us or sign up for a workshop.